Welcome to the next module in our MOOC on Java for Android, which begins our coverage of classes and objects. The topics covered in this module are essential to developing object-oriented programs in Java. Since there are multiple lessons in this module, we first present a brief overview of the path we take to teach you how to use classes and objects effectively. In Lesson 2, we will review the larger concepts of classes and objects that were first mentioned in the MOOC overview, but put a decidedly Java spin on them. We will use the string class that you already are familiar with to illustrate some of our examples. In Lesson 3 of this module, you will begin to build your own class file and a client file that uses the class. There will be additional resources provided with this lesson so that you can program in Android Studio as you follow along with the video. At the end of Lesson 3, we actually leave you with a broken file, one that no longer compiles. But in Lesson 4, we'll learn more about how classes and objects are constructed so that we can restore our files and make them better. In Lesson 5, we add more functionality to your class file and begin to appreciate code readability. In Lesson 6, you will understand how to use classes and objects in some familiar constructs, like arrays. And finally, in Lesson 7, we wrap up with a brief discussion on generics. If you're willing to put in some time, do the work, and really strive to understand what is included in this module, you will enjoy the ride. So start your engines and let's get going.